Alright, this one cost me 438 bucks from Trade Tools in Australia. If you're watching overseas, I am an Australian. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of Milwaukee. I tell everyone that. Security tech. Thanks guys. For a reason, when I was doing my apprenticeship in a very harsh environment, I had killed quite a few of the Milwaukee gear. Mainly battery drills, hammer drills, for the process that we were in. Was not the best on it. That's why I'm a Hitachi fan. Couldn't kill them. Anyway. Alright, what you see is what you get. Bring a bit closer. So we get a 3/8 to 1/4 adapter. We get a nice head protector. We get the 12 volt battery charger in the little kit. We get one 12 volt battery. Be interesting to see how long this lasts. Cute little thing. Anyway, then we get the 3/8 drive. Future reference is a lock and unlock button. Battery comes charged out of the box. Looks like a good thing. Alright. In there as well, you also get a couple of manuals, blah blah blah, warranty bullshit. Anyway, we will put the condom on and I will get some sockets out because I've got a nice shiny new manifold for my HQ, Holly High Rise. So yeah, we'll get some shit sorted and then we'll make sure this thing works. Alright, I've set up a bolt. Make sure we start it. And flip it up, crack it, and done. Alright, that's the Milwaukee 3/8 drive side impact. Hopefully it's a good addition to my toolbox. Hopefully it doesn't crap out like all the other Milwaukee shit I've had. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Leave us a like. We'll see you next time. Be good or be good at it.